Y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal coming at you. I know I did the live video early like I was telling you. My brother-in-law's here, the one he's tried these Smashburgers all over the country, kind of an expert of sorts, so he's going to be here and walk me through how to make a Smashburger. So, I mean, like I said, I've never even tasted one, so he's going to show me how to do it, and we're going to make them over here on the Yoder Y640. I'm running lumberjack hickory pellets. We're at about 425. Let me show y'all what we got here. We got the Yoder. Gonna walk y'all in a little bit. Maybe you can see if I bring my light just a little bit closer. I've got the Yoder. Their little grill, whatever, is a cast iron griddle right there that we're gonna cook on. Then I've got like a Lodge, just cast iron steak press or bacon press, whatever you want to call it. That's what we're gonna use. Now, my brother-in-law was telling me, so a friend of his told me to get that hot as well. So we're getting the press hot and the griddle hot. I've measured out all the patties. Basically, we took 80-20 ground chuck Angus, bought Angus beef, USDA choice, and made quarter-pound patties. I probably have 20 or 30 patties in there, I guess. And we're just going to smash them. And I think you cook it 2 minutes aside or something like that. And then once the sides cook, you flip it over and you put your ingredients, your seasoning on there, because the beef's not pre-seasoned. I mixed up a little Butcher's barbecue, what I do, a grilling addiction, and a little bit of Jonesy Q cow pow. And that's what we're going to season these burgers with. We've got some caramelized onions, we've got some bacon, we've got some mayonnaise, some chipotle mayo that we'll dress them with, some buttered buns. So anyway, without further ado, we'll get on to kind of starting the process here. It's about to go down. We're about to enter into Flavor Town. We're going over here with the Y640. You got it preheated and everything like that. I'm going to put a couple of patties on here, or at least start with one. We're going to do double decker ultimate flavor burger here. So I'm going to go with one. Bottom patty I like to do a little bit bigger. Okay, show you that. He's going to squash it down. Go ahead and set my timer. Set a timer for 2 minutes. About 15 seconds. There you go. Gets that going. I'm going to go to the second patty. This one, my top patty. I'll make that a little bit smaller. Alright, we do these double-decker style burgers. There we go. So we got a timer set for about 1 minute 45 seconds as it's going right now. So it's been 2 minutes on this side. I'm going to season them. Have a little seasoning right there. Boom, boom, boom. Ben's going to flip them over. Oh, yeah. Look at that, baby. All right, then, with that being said, I'm going to throw a little bit of, set a time for 2 more minutes. And I'm going to set a little caramelized onion on them. Okay? Let that just sit up as that goes. And then we'll put some buttered buns down for a second. Those buttered buns really help flavor. So caramelized onion on there for a second. Set a time for 1 minute 45 seconds. Alright, there we go. That's great. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of bacon down maybe. Oh yeah. Some of the cheese here in about just a minute, okay? Got the bacon down. I'm going to tell you what this is going to be volcanic with flavor. I mean, it's going to be absolutely amazing. So your Ben's got the cheese there. Let's wait. Oh, bun. Got your buttered bun. Put the buttered bun down there. Like that. Just want to make sure you got that going. All right, go ahead and put your cheese down, I guess. So I'm telling you what, we've made a couple of these tonight. He was just showing me the finer points of what you need to do, the do's and don'ts, and I could not get over the amazing flavor. I mean, these things are fantastic. But anyway, so we'll let the rest of the timer just kind of expire for that. You're basically just cooking that burger. You're letting all that flavor go in. And I've also got some special sauce that I made, chipotle mayo, which I'm going to use a little bit of mayo, a little bit of sweet pickle relish, a little bit of chopped up shredded chipotle pepper. That's really good stuff. So that's what we're talking about. We'll put a little bit of that on that bun here in just a second. We'll kind of, oh yeah. We got about 30 seconds left, but that's fine. We're in no hurry here. Let's see, yeah, got the plate ready. Set that down there. Let's get our sauce ready. Sauce these buns. Once the buns are nice, how they looking? A little bit more. Buns go a little bit more. Okay, that's fine. Stop timer. A lot of times they can go just that. I can see a little bit of pink still in that little patty. So we let the bun go just a little bit more. And like I said, we're staying this real time with y'all. No big deal. So let's see, after about 20 seconds, so let's look at the top piece of bun there. How it's looking. Oh yeah, that's looking good. That's looking good. Waiting for our cheese to melt. And you could, heck, we could close this if you want to. That'll kind of seal in just a little bit more of the heat. Let me tell y'all something. I've never had a Smashburger, like I said before. I just can't get over the goodness, the juiciness. Even though they're cooked pretty much well done, they're so juicy because you've got all the wonderful fats from the cheese, or from the 80-20 ground beef. You've got the bacon in there. You've got those caramelized onions, which bring up a lot of flavor. We have got flavor on top of flavor. There's no bland and simple here. So anyway, let's take another look at them. I'll be ready by now. Let's go ahead and get our, oh yeah, look at that. See how that cheese is done? Go ahead and just get our buns, get a little bit of sauce on our bun. Right there. You're gonna build that bun, put a little bit of sauce on it. Give a little dollop like that. Okay, go ahead and put our bottom. That's your bigger patty there you want on the bottom. Okay. There you go. Look at that. You know, that is a burger extraordinaire right there. A little bit of dollop of sauce there on the top patty. I tell y'all what, you can't beat. Let me take this off my raw meat glove. Y'all look at that right there. Can you believe that burger? I mean, that is some serious flavor right there. Oh my gosh. It's almost just leaning tower piece there, just toppling over on me. The cheese, the onions, I mean, just all the goodness, y'all. I'm gonna have to taste this. Y'all give me just a second to get set up here. All right, y'all. The true test of this thing is steaming hot, just ooey gooey cheese, onions, beef. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is amazing. Look at the juice. Perfectly cooked. I need a rag, napkin, or something. But anyway, yeah, we'll do some single deckers next. But this is amazing. The Smashburger, like I said, oh Ben, man, he came and brought the true recipe here. This stuff is awesome. So yeah, y'all gotta try this. Thank y'all so much. Remember, like my videos, sub my channel. God bless y'all. Try your Smashburger.